please tell me what's eating my laurel bushes and hostas. And more importantly, how to get rid of them. And this is from Heather from New Bern, Tennessee. All right. So what do we think that is, Ms. Joellen?
Well, now
let's look at the first one. Let's look at the laurel first.
The laurel first.
Okay.
The laurel,
and it's not an insect pest.
It's not an insect. Right. Actually, it's a disease called Shothole disease.
Right.
Very common on laurels. All laurels get that. So, yeah.
So this rainy weather we've had is conducive to that.
Yes,
hopefully when we get dries out a little in the summer, you'll see less of that.
Hopefully
you can prune some of that out as you do your routine pruning to shape the thing. So that helps, but it's not going to kill the plant or anything.
Right. Good airflow too, you know, especially if it's next to a wall or something like that.
And a lot of times people are not pruning and they're just topping.
Yes.
And so, you know, maybe when you prune, if you can go down to a shoot and it kind of makes some air movement for the plant, that would help that too.
Yeah, practice good sanitation as well when those leaves hit the ground, for sure. And you can just use a fungicide if you have to for that. All right, so what about the hostas though?
It's probably just a slug.
It's just slugs, right? I have hostas at home. They have damage that kind of looks like that, just slugs.
Slugs and snails like this kind of wet, rainy weather. And we do have baits that you can put out for slugs. There's one that has metaldehyde in it. You have to be careful around pets, so you don't want to use metaldehyde baits. But there's I think an iron phosphate bait that you can use. It's safer. But in general, drier weather it gets better too.
Drier weather helps. I'm surprised you didn't mention the beer.
No, beer is to be drunk, not put out in little dishes for the slugs.
Well, now I like to put just boards because they have to go somewhere in the during the day. You just lay a board down. You pick the board up in the morning. You see all of them. You scrape them, and you're done with the slugs. And put your board back and catch some more.
That's a good idea.
That's good, and it's funny because all these things we were talking about, product of the environment, wet conditions.
Yeah.
How about that? We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.